Growing a gaming YouTube channel requires a combination of strategies and tactics to increase viewership and engagement. Here are some tips to help you grow your gaming YouTube channel. Define your niche. Determine the specific type of gaming content you want to create and find your unique selling point. This will help you stand out in the crowded gaming niche. Create high-quality content. Focus on producing high-quality videos that provide value to your target audience. Invest in good equipment for recording and editing to improve the overall production value of your videos. Optimize your videos. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to optimize your videos for search engine visibility. Consider creating eye-catching thumbnails to increase click-through rates. Consistent upload schedule. Establish a consistent schedule for uploading videos. Consistency helps build an audience and keeps your viewers engaged. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos, engage with your viewers on social media, and consider hosting live streams or Q&A sessions to interact with your audience directly. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other gaming YouTubers can help you reach a wider audience and gain new subscribers. Look for collaborations that align with your niche and reach out to potential partners. Promote your channel. Actively promote your videos on social media platforms, gaming forums, and subreddit communities. Share your videos in relevant online communities to attract new viewers. Use YouTube features. Take advantage of YouTube features such as end screens, cards, and playlists to encourage viewers to watch more of your content and stay on your channel. Analyze and iterate. Use YouTube analytics to track and analyze your channel's performance. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and engagement to identify areas for improvement and refine your content strategy.